Hello, and welcome to Travel Tribe, the channel for smart travelers. Today, we're going to share 10 of the coolest travel hacks and tricks to help you make the most of your trips. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or first-time adventurer, these tips will help you save money, stay organized, and have a more enjoyable travel experience. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Pack light. One of the best travel hacks is to pack light. Bring only what you need and avoid overpacking. Not only will this save you money on baggage fees, but it will also make it easier to get around. Use packing cubes to keep your clothes organized and maximize space in your luggage. Another great way to pack light is to wear your bulkiest clothing items while traveling. This not only frees up space in your luggage, but also keeps you warm and comfortable during your journey. You can also mix and match your outfits to create different looks with fewer pieces of clothing. Remember, less is more when it comes to packing. So be selective and bring only the essentials. Tip number 2. Use a packing list. Before you pack, make a packing list. This will help you remember everything you need and avoid forgetting anything important. You can also use a travel checklist app to make the process even easier. To make your packing list even more effective, categorize it by items such as clothes, toiletries, electronics, and travel documents. This will ensure that you don't forget anything important and will make it easier to pack and unpack. It's also a good idea to include a list of emergency items such as medication, first aid kit, and a copy of your passport. By using a packing list, you'll not only save time and reduce stress, but also have peace of mind knowing that you have packed everything you need for a comfortable and enjoyable trip. Tip number 3. Roll your clothes. When packing your clothes, roll them instead of folding them. This will save space and prevent wrinkles. You can also use compression bags to further maximize space in your luggage. Another benefit of rolling your clothes is that it allows you to see everything in your luggage at a glance, making it easier to find what you need without unpacking everything. It also reduces the amount of creases in your clothes, as they are not folded in the same place repeatedly. For bulkier items such as jackets and sweaters, consider using the bundle wrapping method, which involves wrapping these items around a core of rolled clothes. This not only saves space but also helps you protect your clothing from wrinkles and creases. By using these packing techniques, you'll be able to fit more into your luggage and travel with ease and comfort. Tip number 4. Bring a portable charger. A portable charger is a must-have for any traveler. It will keep your phone and other devices charged so you can stay connected on the go. Make sure to bring a charger with multiple ports so you can charge all your devices at once. When using a portable charger, consider the size and weight of the charger as well as its charging capacity. Look for a charger with a high mAh or milliampere per hour rating, which indicates how much power the charger can store. This will ensure that your devices stay charged for longer periods of time. You can also opt for a solar-powered charger, which can be a great option for outdoor adventures and off-the-grid travel. With a portable charger, you won't have to worry about your devices running out of battery, so you can make the most of your travel experience and capture all your favorite memories. Tip number 5. Use travel rewards programs. If you travel frequently, sign up for travel reward programs. These programs offer perks like free flights, hotel stays, and other rewards. Make sure to sign up for programs that align with your travel goals and experiences. To maximize your rewards, try to consolidate your travel with 1 or 2 airlines or hotel chains. This will help you earn points or miles faster and reach elite status, which can offer even more benefits such as priority boarding, free checked bags, and room upgrades. You can also earn points by using travel credit cards, which often offer generous sign-up bonuses and rewards for everyday purchases. Make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and use your credit card responsibly to avoid accruing debt. By using travel reward programs, you can also save money and enjoy luxurious travel experiences that would otherwise be out of reach. Tip number 6. Pack snacks. Bringing snacks with you can save you money and prevent you from getting hungry during your travels. Pack healthy snacks like granola bars, nuts, and fruit so you can have something to eat when you're on the go. In addition to saving money, packing your own snacks can also help you maintain a healthy diet while traveling. Airport and convenience store food options can be high in calories and unhealthy, so having your own snacks on hand can prevent you from resorting to these options. Make sure to pack your snacks in reusable containers to reduce waste and avoid messy spills in your luggage. You can also buy snacks at local grocery stores or markets to experience the local cuisine and save money on expensive restaurant meals. By packing your own snacks, you'll have more control over your diet and save money. You can also focus on enjoying your travels. Tip number 7. Use public transportation. Instead of taking taxis or rental cars, use public transportation. This is a great way to save money and get around like a local. Use apps like Google Maps or City Mapper to plan your routes and find the best options for getting around. Using public transportation can also be a more sustainable option as it reduces carbon emissions and environmental impact of travel. It can also be a fun and immersive way to explore a new city or destination. You can interact with locals, observe the local culture and lifestyle, and discover hidden gems that are off the beaten path. Some cities also offer bike sharing programs or walking tours, which can be a great way to get exercise while exploring your surroundings. By using public transportation, you'll not only save money, but also have a more authentic travel experience. Tip number 8. Stay in hostels. If you're on a budget, consider staying in hostels. They are affordable and offer a great way to meet other travelers. Make sure to read reviews before booking so you can find a hostel that meet your needs. Hostels offer a unique travel experience that can be both social and culturally enriching. Many hostels organize events and activities such as group dinners, pub crawls, or city tours that allow you to connect with other travelers and make new friends. Hostels often have communal areas like kitchens or lounges where you can relax, cook your own meals, or share travel stories with other guests. Some hostels even offer private rooms or family rooms, making them a good option for budget-conscious families or couples. By staying in hostels, you can save money and have a more social and interactive travel experience. Tip number 9. Use travel apps. There are many travel apps that can help you stay organized and save money. Use apps like Skyscanner to find cheap flights, Airbnb to find affordable accommodations, and TripIt to keep all your travel plans in one place. In addition to the popular travel apps mentioned above, there are also many other useful travel apps that can enhance your travel experience. Apps like Maps.me or City Maps to Go can also be helpful for navigating your way around a new city, even when you don't have access to Wi-Fi or data. Some apps like PackPoint can even help you create a personalized packing list based on your destination, activities, and weather forecast. By using travel apps, you can save time, money, and hassle, while also staying organized and connected on the go. Tip number 10. Finally, stay flexible. Travel plans can change unexpectedly, so it's important to be prepared for anything. Keep an open mind and be willing to make changes to your itinerary if needed. Staying flexible can also lead to unexpected and exciting travel experiences. You may stumble upon a hidden gem or discover a new adventure that you wouldn't have found otherwise. Being flexible can also help you save money, and you can also take advantage of last-minute deals or off-peak travel times. It's also important to be flexible when it comes to your expectations and attitude. Travel can be unpredictable, and sometimes things don't go according to plan. By staying flexible and keeping a positive attitude, you can make the most of any situation and turn it into a memorable experience. Remember, travel is all about exploring, learning, and having fun. So embrace the journey and enjoy the ride. That's it for today's video. We hope these travel hacks and tricks will help you make the most of your next adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, tricks, and advice. See you on the next video.